I'm using long reach pliers with a bent nose to place twigs accurately into a wood gas stove. This is very convenient because you can keep your fingers far away from the flame and it minimizes the risk of being burned, but you can still place the twigs exactly where you want them in the wood gas stove. If you're using twigs and you're cooking for a long time, you'll have to be continuously feeding twigs into the stove. And if you have these pliers, it makes it much easier and safer to do so. You minimize the risk of being burned, and the pliers can also be used to handle hot metal, which is very handy and convenient. Essentially, they're like fire tongs for your wood gas stove, and they keep your fingers far away from the fire and far away from being burned. See, I'm just placing twig after twig into the stove, and the stove is burning nicely. Thanks for watching and have a great day.